Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Acadia Denali. Stock number is 18G796A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have dual sunroofs and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.